Business holding companies are powerful entities that can shape entire industries. But what exactly are they, and how do they work? A business holding company is a corporate structure that owns controlling interests in other companies, known as subsidiaries. This arrangement offers numerous benefits, including risk reduction, asset protection, and tax efficiency. The concept of a holding company is simple. It's an entity that doesn't produce goods or services itself, but instead owns shares in other businesses. This structure allows for centralized control and management of multiple enterprises. One of the most famous examples is Berkshire Hathaway, owned by Warren Buffett, which holds stakes in diverse industries, ranging from insurance to retail and manufacturing. Holding companies come in various forms. A pure holding company exists solely to own shares in other businesses, while a mixed holding company also engages in its own operations. There are also immediate and intermediate holding companies, which serve different roles within a larger corporate structure. Many entrepreneurs opt for LLC holding companies, which provide asset protection by shielding personal assets from business liabilities. The benefits of holding companies are significant. They reduce risk by spreading investments across multiple industries and markets. This diversification can protect the overall business even if one subsidiary faces challenges. Holding companies also offer enhanced asset protection. By dividing assets across multiple entities, liabilities can be limited to individual subsidiaries, protecting the larger organization. Tax efficiency is another major advantage. In some cases, wholly owned subsidiaries can be treated as pass-through tax entities, simplifying tax filings while maintaining limited liability. Holding companies also facilitate easier transfer of product lines or intellectual property between subsidiaries, allowing for flexible business operations. However, holding companies are subject to various regulations depending on their industry and structure. Bank holding companies, for instance, are governed by the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation and must meet specific ownership and control requirements. Public utility holding companies face restrictions under the Public Utility Holding Company Act to prevent monopolization of essential services. Antitrust laws also play a crucial role in regulating holding companies. The Federal Trade Commission monitors acquisitions to prevent unfair market dominance. This regulatory oversight aims to maintain healthy competition and prevent the formation of monopolies that could harm consumers or stifle innovation. Setting up a business holding company requires careful planning and execution. Key steps include choosing a legal structure, typically a corporation or LLC, registering the business, obtaining necessary tax identifications, and establishing separate bank accounts for each entity. It's crucial to maintain proper governance and comply with all relevant tax regulations to maximize benefits and minimize legal risks. While holding companies offer numerous advantages, they also come with potential pitfalls. One significant risk is the possibility of piercing the corporate veil. If the holding company and its subsidiaries fail to maintain separate legal identities, courts may hold owners personally liable for business debts or legal issues. Improper structuring can also lead to tax complications or unwanted regulatory scrutiny. Large holding companies may face criticism for their potential to monopolize market sectors. This concern has led to increased government oversight and the ability to block acquisitions or business models that could significantly reduce competition. In conclusion, business holding companies are powerful tools for corporate structuring, offering significant benefits in terms of risk management, asset protection, and operational flexibilities. However, they require careful legal and financial planning to navigate the complex regulatory landscape and avoid potential pitfalls. For entrepreneurs and business owners considering this structure, consulting with experienced legal professionals is crucial to ensure compliance and maximize the advantages of a holding company arrangement.